Hello and welcome to the R&D site of Sosei Heptares in Cambridge, UK. This video will introduce our unique and rational approach to drug discovery, which we hope will deliver new medicines for patients. Before we even start in the laboratory, we think very carefully about which GPCR to target. We consider many important points, such as how strong is the link between the GPCR target and a particular disease, such as cancer or Alzheimer's disease. We also consider how can we leverage our structure-based platform. This platform is what you will hear about next.
So it's on the platform side of the company that we generate the stars, or stabilized receptors. So small changes are introduced into the GPCR of interest, making the receptor more stable and which allows us to purify large amounts of the target protein. The detailed atomic structure of the receptor can then be determined by either X-ray crystallography or cryo-electron microscopy to determine where and how different drugs bind. The star can also be used for biophysical analysis, such as surface plasmon resonance, to measure drug or antibody binding. Now, all of this provides the unique structure-based drug design engine at Sosei Heptares, and once obtained, is passed to the computational chemistry team.
The computational chemistry team develops and applies in silico methods to complement the unique three-dimensional structural information of GPCRs provided by the platform in order to determine which molecular interactions drive drug potency and selectivity. The computational medicinal chemistry teams work closely together to use these insights to design novel drug molecules and to optimize their therapeutic properties, atom by atom. The medicinal chemists synthesize the molecules in the lab and then pass the compounds on to the pharmacology team.
The pharmacology team tests the biological activity of the drugs at the GPCR we are studying. We set up assays to check that the drug function is specific to the target and further probe the mechanism of action in cell-based models. We work alongside chemistry to help improve drug properties until we have a small number of compounds which we want to test in preclinical efficacy models, which is where the Translational Sciences team step in.
The Translational Science team works at the interface between discovery and development. Here, we design studies to test scientific hypotheses generated in the laboratory to address whether a drug might be useful for the treatment of human disease. We focus on understanding how the drug is acting in the body and what patients might benefit from such therapy. A promising drug will be taken forward by our development colleagues, where the safety, pharmacokinetics, and efficacy will be evaluated in human clinical trials. どうもありがとうございました。
So this is how our colleagues work closely together using our unique structure-based design to find new medicines.